Hi all, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite kitchen gadgets, and this is it. It's called the Spill Stopper, and it prevents spaghetti or any other kind of pasta from boiling over and making a mess on your cooktop. The Spill Stopper has little flaps on the top that allow the pasta foam to escape and cool down, preventing a boil over. Here's how to use it. Fill up your pasta pot with cold water and put a regular lid on it. Once it comes to a boil, add the pasta, a little salt for flavor, and then put the Spill Stopper lid on top of the pot. Reduce the heat like you normally would, except now you won't have to worry about the pot boiling over. When you remove the Spill Stopper to check your pasta, make sure you use a pair of tongs. We have these available on our Amazon affiliate store, and the link is in the video description. Thanks for watching.